To my American best friend. What the actual fuck? This is a great story on how we met and how we became best friends, even if we didn't really want it to. Her name is Brianna, and you probably saw her before in some of my videos. She actually turns 20 today, so I guess happy birthday. So we met when I was an exchange student in America, and she was living in Omaha, Arkansas, and I went to school there. First time I saw her, I was just like, well, she's just a girl. Whatever. And apparently, first time she saw me, she said to her best friend that she would never talk to me because I'm such a weird French guy, which I don't blame her for that, but kinda rude. But one detail that caught my attention to her was that she was driving a really cool black Camaro. The first time we hang out, that was by accident because I was just waiting at school because my host mom was late to come pick me up. And two of her friends, which was Bug and Kendall, they were gonna hang out and they saw me. And Kendall, I talked a little bit with Kendall, so she kind of knew my situation where I didn't know anybody, and you know. And so when they got out of school, they asked me if I wanted to hang out with them. And as crazy as it sound, hang out with three girls didn't really excited me. And I was just like, I don't know. But then Brianna got in the really cool black Camaro and she started it, and I was like, ooh. Is she driving this? And I was like, okay, I'm in. So actually, the first time we hang out was because she was driving that really cool black Camaro. The night was fun. We had a lot of fun actually. We had a good dinner and everything was good. And after that night, she didn't want to hang out with me anymore because she thought it was really weird. And I still don't blame her for that. I was just like, she's a girl, but she had a cool car, so I might as well hang out with her because she had a cool car. Then I started to become good friend with Kendall, which was her best friend. So we hang out like 2 or 3 times because she was here when I was there, and you know, I was with Kendall and Kendall went there or whatever. So we hang out and we started to be friends, but not good friends or not best friends. And I seriously didn't thought we would have ended up being best friends as much as we are right now. But one night, really fun story, I was stuck at school because my host mom was late to an appointment or something. Anyway, she couldn't pick me up, so she basically said to wait at school or find a solution. Texted some friend, I think, but they were like busy or it would have been too late. And I texted Brianna and I was like, hey, you know, here's that. I'm stuck at school, can you come pick me up, please? She answered, yes, but you have to come with me, hang out with my sister and me tonight. Which I wasn't expecting an answer like that. But I was like, okay, well, why not? I don't really have the choice, and you know, I kinda like her, but she's a friend, so why not? Gotta be honest, that was one of my favorite hangout ever. Like seriously, we had so much fun that I don't even understand how we made it, but it was just so fun. And I think it was right after that night that we both realized we became best friends to each other because we were both able to text the other one if we needed. And we started to talk a lot, and we started to hang out a lot, and we ended up picking up the same classes to be together at the same time and doing the same stuff all the freaking time. At this time, she was actually dating somebody, and she was more with me than with him, which of course made him jealous, and ton of crazy stories happened. And actually at school everybody thought we were dating because we were like all the time together. Like we were eating together, we were in class together, we were just all the time together. And if she got trouble, I would have got trouble too. So everybody was just like, well, you guys are dating. And we tried to explain to everybody that we're not dating, we're just best friends, and everybody was like, whatever. After that year in America, I had to leave, and it was just so hard to leave her. And I knew she was like crying and she was like all sad about it and everything. She wrote me a letter that day and she gave me the letter, and I still have it, and I can't freaking read it because every time I read it I just cry. I'm just so fucking glad she was driving that really cool black Camaro, because if she were not driving that car, we could have not become best friends. Which is crazy. Our friendship is just based on the car she was driving. And I think it's funny. I don't think it's rude or anything. I just think it's a funny detail. Like, just funny. But yeah, I'm super grateful to have a friend like you, Brianna. So yeah, I'm gonna actually talk to you, Brianna, right now. Happy birthday again. You deserve to be 20. and I cannot wait for you to come here because you were supposed to be here like this summer, but COVID-19, you know, so get your freaking ass here. I don't know how to end the video, but I'm just super grateful for the friendship we have and for who you are to me. Pretty crazy. So anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. I wanted to make this video since a long time ago because I wanted to talk about the friendship and how we met, and because it's such a funny story, I think. There's way more stories, so if you want an episode 2, I guess, just leave a comment. That could be fun, actually. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching it. And I guess I'll see you around later. Bye!